Hello, Folsom Middle School 7th graders. Mr. Brown here after our assembly. And you know the message. Hopefully you got it down. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. That statement does not mean your life will be perfect. You will still have problems. You will still have problems. That's just a part of life. Problems come. Matter of fact, I have so many problems. My problems got their own problems. Now, some of y'all might have laughed at that. Some of you snickered at it. But whatever, think about it. You can have a lot of problems, and your problems have their own problems. That quote doesn't mean you won't have any problems. What it means is when you make the best choice you can, whatever problems come your way, you will live a better life. So I want you to choose well. There's a lot of things that you could have got from the assembly, and I would love to hear from you, and hopefully I can read your responses about what you learned. But I want to talk really quickly about the broom illustration. I didn't do it with 6th graders, I did it with 7th graders. And that broom illustration, it's really true. If you choose to look up and make choices based on your future, you will have a better future. If you simply choose to make choices in what you feel, what you think, what you know right now, you won't have a very balanced life at all. It will be all over the place, because the truth is this: you don't know what you don't know. So right now you're making a lot of impulsive decisions. That word impulsive means you think and you say, you think and you do it. And believe me, I made a lot of bad choices because of that, and I wish I can redo some of them, right? Wish I can go back and do some things differently. But I want you to learn on this end of doing them and not to do them. So think about your life. What choice you need to make today that will protect your future? When you make choices looking up to the heavier part, the bigger part of your life, I want you to imagine that broom. Maybe you can get a broom at home. Practice the broom game, right? And think about what I'm doing today, and I'm doing it for today. How will it impact me tomorrow, the next day, next couple years? Because life goes by fast. I cannot believe I'm the age I am today, and I can't believe all the bad choices I made as a teenager. I mean, for example, my mom, she knew so much more than I did, and she tried to help me, and I thought I knew stuff. I ain't know nothing. I knew a few things, but the truth is, I could have learned a whole lot more from her. And that's the thing about learning from adults. Yes, some of you may be sick and tired of adults telling you what to do, and they nag you, tell you over and over again. But here's the point. Learn from people who are where you want to go one day. Are they perfect? No, because you ain't perfect either. But there's people in your life you can learn from, whether it be your parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, teachers, coaches. There's people who you can learn from. And if I were you, I'm not you, but me. But if I was you, I'd be trying to learn all I can from everybody I can, because I can take the good, the bad, and leave the ugly. I can take the good, kind of like this. When people tell you stuff or teach you stuff, I treat it like chicken wings. I eat the meat and leave the bones. Don't mess with the bones, I just eat the meat. And even if it may not taste that good sometimes, because people will tell you things that don't taste good to you at the moment, but it's good for you long term. Now, I just said a whole lot of stuff that you can talk about in your class. Have a discussion about it, about when you make better choices, live your life, that statement. But also, think about the broom illustration. What are your thoughts about the broom illustration? And please, 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 don't be shy. Share your thoughts, because your thoughts help somebody else think about some other things. So your thoughts help other people, because they may not think what you think, but you think what they think. But you don't think what they think, you think what they think. But you might think the same thing, same time. But you might be thinking, might not be thinking what they were thinking. So if you're not thinking what they were thinking, you would teach them something new that they didn't think before. Now they're thinking what you think because you share what you thought. Yeah. Hope that's helpful. Hope you guys have a great conversation in your class. And remember, when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Peace.